LanguageCert Achiever B1, Entry Level 3, International ESOL Speaking. My name's Angelina. Are you Rakesh, right?
Yes.
Can you spell your family name, please?
Yes. It's Vanga.
Where are you from?
Basically, I'm from India, uh, but here I'm living Feltham. It comes in West London.
All right. Let's talk about your hometown, how your hometown has changed in last 10 years.
Yeah, my hometown, over the many years, my hometown has been changed by implementing the some facilities like leader facilities and the transportation. Actually, the transportation has updated a lot by adding the number of services uh, and also leisure facilities also they have implemented. So for the older people, for young people, children, and so they have implemented a lot by adding the leisure facilities, and the schools and the universities have established in recent times. So these kind of things are developed in last 10 years.
Okay, all right. And now let's talk about food and drinks. Do you think that these days people prefer to eat fast food because they don't have time to cook homemade food?
Yes, but they don't have time. By maybe that's the reason people are having fast food. But it's definitely it's harmful for health. Like by consuming fast food, will become if it affect like some diseases, chronic diseases like blood pressure or diabetes. Uh, but I suggest to not have fast food.
Let's talk about manners. Why do you think some people are impolite?
Because they are not, no one teach them. Because so most of the young people, they don't know how to talk with elder people. Sometimes they will be rude. So because of their parents may not responsible towards the kids, they haven't get the proper good manner things. No one has teach. Maybe that's the reason nowadays people are, some of the young people are rude, impolite.
Okay, nobody has taught them. My next question to you is about fashion. What's better, being fashionable or having your own personal style?
And being a own personal style will be good always, because that feels as comfortable and that feels very happy. Buying a fashionable, that will be completely expensive. But coming my opinion, for me fashion is not important to me. I always like want to be in personal uh, things.
Let's talk about sports. How could we encourage children to do more sports?
Yes, we should encourage the children. Children should aware the sports by conducting the sports awareness programs, and they have to know that by playing the sports, that they keep healthy and mental fitness. So there are a lot of advantages by by doing the sports. Uh, and one main thing is they will fit their brain will become sharp, and they can easily observe many things. The Mostly their body will become active. So some of future they can prevent some health issues. So always be fit is always good.
All right, thank you so much. This is the end of part one. Now, part
Thank you.
two. We are going to role play some situations. I want you to start or respond. First situation, we are neighbors. I start. Hi, I just wanted to let you know that we are having a party this weekend, so we're going to be a bit noisy.
That's no problem for me. I'm also going for an holiday then this weekend. That's no one will be available at my home. Have a
Oh,
have a good party.
well, that's very kind of you. Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Second situation, we are strangers in a very busy shop. You've just bumped into me. You start.
Excuse me, sorry. I'm very sorry. The shop is filled with crowded. Unable to stand here. So I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry.
Yeah, no worries. It's okay. I can understand that.
Thanks. Thanks for
Thank
understanding.
you. Thank you. Next situation. We are friends. You want to borrow my favorite t-shirt. You start.
Hello, my friend. Can I borrow your T-shirt, please? I'm going for my cousin's party. That T-shirt will match for my full fashion and trend.
Yeah, sure. You can definitely have it.
Thank you. Thanks for giving.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. This is the end of part 2. Now, part 3.
Okay.
I'm going to share something on the screen with you, and we have to plan and decide something. Okay, now, part 3. We're going to discuss something together. Our favorite teacher is retiring next month, and we are planning ways to celebrate her retirement. Let's talk about the possible options and make some decisions. Here are some ideas. I'll start. I think we should conduct the celebration after teacher's last lesson on Tuesday evening. What do you say?
Yeah, that could be better. Yeah, after class, that could be better. Teacher will get free. But why only the class students? Because a teacher knows everyone in the school. So why can't we call all the students? I think it's the only class students is a bad idea. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. But I think
And
I
yeah,
think we should only allow class students and teachers and not other
we
students.
oh, okay. But why the venue is well smart restaurant, but it's teachers coming to the restaurant and it will be like a crowdy, right? So I think it's not a good place to celebrate the smart restaurant. I think it's our school is I think our school hall is enough. I think enough big enough, right? So and I'm not happy with the expensive the present. No,
Mm,
she need more better gift. Expensive pen, I think okay, but uh, uh school photographs or some diaries could be better, I guess. What do you say?
yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. And we
Yeah.
also need to make some handmade cards, and we can get them signed. We can get
Ah,
them
yes,
signed. Yeah, goodbye cards.
that yes, that's a perfect idea. I do agree with that. Yeah,
Yeah, I
but
agree, definitely.
yeah.
Okay, thank you so
Uh,
much. This is the end of part 3. Now, part 4. I would want you to
okay.
talk about the importance of formal qualifications. This means the
Important.
importance of education. Yeah, the importance of
Oh,
formal qualifications. You have 30 seconds to think about what would you like to say. And then after 30 seconds, I want you to talk for 90 seconds. All right. Now, please talk about the importance of formal qualifications. You have
yeah.
90 seconds to speak. Your time begins now.
Okay. Formal qualifications are like a face-to-face education. I guess it is the schools and colleges. About the many years, school systems and college systems has changed a lot. They are implemented and implemented a lot of things by placing the leisure facility in the school, and the management has very strictly towards the rules. So school children and students. They're following they're following the rules, and its qualification is formal education qualification is always a better qualification is always better to get higher jobs, and they can be go for like they're getting high chance of jobs if you have a better qualification. And students will get good manners by teachers will teach the good manners. So nowadays some people are very rude at the older people. So education system will gives the good manners to the students. And there are many advantages for being qualified. So I think that's it. Hello.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I will ask you some follow-up questions.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Can you think of anyone who was successful without obtaining any formal qualifications?
I think it's possible. It's possible to become a successful person, but it's very difficult without any qualification. It's a bit difficult. By by doing some business, they can get a famous and successful persons. I think it's possible.
Okay, how important are language qualifications in your country?
Language qualifications are important. So if you want to go if you want to do any abroad jobs, you want to go any travel to abroad, so language is a must. So any high qualified jobs, the learning language is always good for them. It makes easy and comfort. So definitely it's an important thing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Which do you think is more important, practical experience or formal qualification?
I guess practical experience is better, because we'll get the better knowledge by doing some practicals. So rather than studying something, by doing practicals is always better. We can see the reality of the situation.
Okay. And if you could choose, what qualification would you like to try to get next?
I want to become a bachelor's degree. So I'd like to prefer bachelor's degree for qualification.
Thank you so much. This is the end of the test, and you have passed with a very good score in the 40s. I hope so, 44, 45. And who knows that with a good understanding, you can even get 50 out of 50. Your performance was
Okay.
brilliant today. I'm hoping
Thank
for a high pass in speaking for you.
Even
Even 50 out of 50, okay? Because examiners know, they don't, even if you make some mistakes, they give you 50 out of 50. It's just that you need to
Okay.
be fluent and understand the question. Thank you so
Okay.
much.